Now I've got quite a cold garden, so I've had to start bringing some of my stuff in already because we've had 1 or 2 little frosts. And I've got at least 3 plants here that Elaine doesn't bring in at all, but I definitely have to. So this is an arbutelon. This one's Veronica Tennant, beautiful lilac-y colour. She has to come in. Lemon verbena, aloysia, I think it's called now. Elaine has that outside, but mine, honestly, it has to come in, doesn't it? And then the last one, this geranium madurense, no way outside with me. So I have to keep it in a fairly moderate pot and just bring it in each winter. This is a salvia. Some of my salvias will do outside, the shrubby ones, but this is disc colour. And again, that definitely has to come in, and I'll probably take some cuttings of it as well to be doubly sure. The oleander, that's come in. This is a rather special agapanthus with dark pendulous flowers. And so I bring this in, but my others, actually like Elaine, I can probably just drag somewhere a little bit sheltered and they would be all right. Obviously the succulents have come in. This is French lavender, lavender stoucas. I do grow this in the garden as well, but I always have some small pots, again as an insurance policy, to bring in over the winter. The lemon trees are in, and these are little small green lemons, but they'll gradually turn yellow and grow over the winter. This is chocolate cosmos. Now this is funny, this is a tuber like a dahlia, and I can leave dahlias out here, they're all right, they come through. But I always bring this one in because I grow it in a pot, and things are much more susceptible to frost in a pot. And also I find by bringing it in, it starts into growth much earlier in the summer with me, which I like. And just moving around, the plectranthus has to come in. The aeonium here, this is Schwarzkopf. And if yours has got a bit too big and you don't have room for it, an easy thing to do is just to snap a little bit off there and overwinter it as a cutting. It'll grow again really quickly again in the summer. And I've done that with 1 or 2 other things too. Those are some little arbutelon cuttings. I won't pop them up till the spring. This is a tender hebe. Again, I've just taken a few cuttings because it was too big and old to come in its pot. So that's fine. This is a small myrtle plant. Again, I'll keep in a small pot so it doesn't take up too much room. And a new fuchsia I've got. Again, they come from cuttings really easily. So there are ways and means you can accommodate your plants over winter.